satin stitch. Satin stitch is often used to create a dense covering of embroidery, like with this crescent moon. I like to start in the middle of a crescent and then radiate out with some basic stitches to help me follow the shape. Bring your needle up through the starting point of your shape, or in this case the middle, and then bring your needle down on the opposite side, covering it with a long stitch. Then you can fill in each side of the crescent moon without losing too much of the direction. This helps guide the shape. If you don't do this, it's very easy to get slanted with your stitches. You continue to bring the needle down on the opposite side of where you came up until the entire shape is covered.